Question number 1. What is the capital city of France? Option A, Paris. Option B, Rome. Option C, Berlin. The correct answer is option A, Paris. Question number 2 is the largest planet in our solar system is dash. Option A, Earth. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Mars. The correct answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 3 is the process by which plants make their food is called. Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, germination. The correct answer is option B, photosynthesis. Question number 4 is the Great Wall of China is located in dash. Option A, Japan. Option B, China. Option C, Korea. The correct answer is option B, China. Question number 5 is the currency of the United Kingdom is the dash. Option A, dollar. Option B, euro. Option C, pound. The correct answer is option C, pound. Question number 6 is the tallest mountain in the world is dash. Option A, Mount Kilimanjaro. Option B, Mount Everest. Option C, Mount Fuji. The correct answer is option B, Mount Everest. Question number 7 is water freezes at dash degree Celsius. Option A, 0. Option B, 10. Option C, 100. The correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 8 is the longest river in the world is dash. Option A, Amazon River. Option B, Nile River. Option C, Yamsi River. The correct answer is option B, Nile River. Question number 9 is the fastest land animal in the world is dash. Option A, cheetah. Option B, lion. Option C, tiger. The correct answer is option A, cheetah. Question number 10 is the smallest continent in the world is dash. Option A, Europe. Option B, Australia. Option C, Africa. The correct answer is option B, Australia.